So, myself, Tanush Reddy, of first year of engineering, branch CSC Cybersecurity, studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. I'm going to explain about classes and methods. Here, we are going to learn operator overloading, type-based dispatch, the STIR method. Let us learn about operator overloading. In operator overloading, we are going to learn about arithmetic operators. In arithmetic operators, we are going to add any two numbers using the add method, and it is used to overload the plus operator. Comparison operator. In comparison operator, it is they are going to use a it method to overload the less than operator. String representation. In this example, the string method is used to define the string representation of the object. Like example, here we're going to define a book as Python Crash Course, which is written by Eric Matthews. Custom operator. In custom operators, there is some we're going to use a mul method is defined to overload the multiple operator for complex multiplication. Now let us learn about the type-based dispatch. A type-based dispatch in Python often involves using function overloading or a technique known as function dispatch. Based on the types of arguments, unlike some statically typed language, Python is dynamically based typed, which means the types of variables are determined at runtime. However, you can still achieve type-based dispatch in Python using a variety of methods. One common approach is to use the instance function to check the type of an argument and then perform different actions based on the type. Here is a simple example. Here we are going to take def process as data, if instance as data int, return the data and we are going to multiply twice and we are going to use a elif is instance where we are going to have parameters data and string. Then we are going to return the data uppercase, then self in instance data and list. Then we are going to return the item twice for the item in data. Else we are going to raise a type error which is unsupported data type. When we are going to print process data 5, the output we are getting is 10. Next, where if you're going to process data hello, the output is hello as a uppercase sensitive. When we are going to use process data 1, 2, 3, we are going to get output 2, 4, 6. In this example, the above process data function takes a single argument data and performs different actions based on its type. Now, let us learn about the stir method. In Python, the stir method is a built-in function used to convert specified value or object to its string representation. The stir function takes various types of arguments, including numbers, lists, tuples, dictionaries, and custom objects, and returns the string representations. Here is a basic example. First, we are going to converting an integer into a string. We are going to take a number 42 and string representation as stir number, and we are going to print the string representation where the output will be 42. Next, we are going to convert a floating point number into a string. As we are going to taking a float number as 3.14, we are going to use the method float string is equal to stir float number, then your print float, then your output is 3.14. When we are converting into a list to a string, we are going to use mylist, where you're going to use list string is equal to string mylist. Then you're going to print the list string where you're getting the output as 1, 2, 3. Keep in mind that the string method relies on the stir method of an object. If the object has a custom stir method, the stir function will use that method to, and we're going to return this custom string representation for my class. Then we're going to create an object my class, an object string object. Then we are going to print object string. Then the output is this is a custom string representation for my class. In summary, the string function is a convenient way to obtain a human readable string representation of various Python objects, and it's frequently used for debugging and logging purpose. Thank you.